Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with OpenAI API through platform access, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the OpenAI website. Locate the API section on the home page. Click on the link to access the OpenAI API page. On the API page, find the Sign Up or Get Started button. Create a new account by filling in the required fields. Provide a valid email address and choose a strong password. Check your email for a verification link from OpenAI. Click the link to verify your email address. Return to the OpenAI website and log in with your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the API Keys section in the dashboard. Click on the Create API Key button to generate a new key. Label your API key for easy identification later. Once the key is created, copy it and store it securely. Explore the documentation available on the API page. Familiarize yourself with specific endpoints and their functionalities. Test the API using tools like Postman or curl. Make your first API call by following the guidelines in the documentation. Monitor your usage and any associated costs in the dashboard. For any issues, refer to the support section for troubleshooting tips. Engage with the community forums for additional insights and help. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.